Hey everyone, it's Chris from FunTech Guys, and I'm just going to talk to you quickly about assignment operators in PHP. Now, it's going to be a very quick tutorial because we've already touched on assignment operators. You just don't actually know you've done assignment operators. So I've gone ahead and created a PHP file called assignment.php, and if I just pull up my Sublime, I've got assignment.php here, which is a blank PHP file. Okay, so when I say we've worked with them before, we have done something along the lines of email equals $_post email. We've done something along the lines of this. We've said email is being assigned the value of the input field from a form, which was email. So all we're doing here is we're saying the variable email is now being assigned the value that has been submitted through a form. So this here, right here, the equals is the assignment operator. That's basically it. We've just assigned a variable the value of something else. So in addition to being able to assign values, at the basic level, so that's your most basic of basic assignment operators. But in addition to that, it's also got a bit of an extension. So we can go ahead and do arithmetic operators as well. So if I said num, $num, shorthand for number, equals, let's say 10, right? Drop down, echo num. So let's just say 10. That's exactly what we was expecting. Now if I said result is equal to, is being assigned the values of num plus 17, terminate that line, and echo results, refresh, 27. Okay, that's exactly what we was expecting to see. But if I remove this here and just add in an equals, echo num, save that. What I'm saying here is I'm assigning the value, the variable num, to have the value of 10. So right now num is equal to 10, and then we're dropping down a line and we're saying, okay, num is now equal to its original value. So here we're taking 10 plus the new value. So we've just cut out results and equals because we've just placed in the additional equals here, so plus and equals, and what we're saying is you are now assigned your original value plus your new value. So if I just change this over to say, I don't know, 27, reload this, what we're hoping to see is 37, and it's exactly what we see. So in addition to being able to do an additional arithmetic operator, we have addition, we have subtraction. So let's just change this to 173. So it's saying 100 minus, so 100 is, and num is now equal to 100 minus 27, which is 73. So we've got minus. We also have multiplication. So again, 100 times 27. 2,700, and we also have division, and let's just change that to 20, is equal to 5. Now you can do modulus, which will say give me the remainder. The remainder is 19, and I'm not going to worry you too much about modulus, but basically, yeah, the modulus operator is just saying give me the remainder of what is left over, and in this instance 19 is left over when you start dividing 100 by 27. Okay, so as well as arithmetic operators, we have string operators. Now we will be using this quite early on, so I'll show you this one right now, and we'll just say message is equal to hello. Drop down. I'm just going to drop down a bit further, just say echo message. Save, reload this page, exactly what we was expecting. We've assigned message the value of hello. Now, if I went down here and said, okay, message, let's concatenate onto this string and say, hello world, how are you today? What we're hoping to see is, hello world, how are you today? No, we're not, because I've not terminated my line. Hello world, how are you today? So if I just go ahead and take this out, the concatenation, world, how are you today? So that's exactly what we wanted to see. We have worked with the basic assignment operator, which is here. We have worked with string operators, which is here. We have concatenated on, and we've also worked with addition, multiplication, division and subtraction and we've also touched on the modulus, and that is assignment operators at the basic level, and that will get you through quite some way in the videos that we are going to be talking about. So I'm going to cut the video off there before I start talking about a lot of rubbish and just making it really long. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and you've took something away from it, and I hope you join me for the next video where I'll be talking about comparison operators. Okay, take care.